Hey, I'm sitting here with Brian from TaxSource Resources. We're talking about Excel, which is really it's a great it can help you keep everything everything organized and everything like that. But if your investments are at a particular point where you're getting bigger, maybe you're too big for Excel, you've got some news here for that.
Yeah, and we try to be completely open with investors, and Excel is an amazing program for managing, and it's a giant spreadsheet. You put all sorts of formulas in there, and it's relatively speaking does a lot for very little cost. Now, if you're growing to the point where you're in multiple states, you're in multiple counties, or in like New Jersey, you're in multiple jurisdictions, you start to get to have a whole lot of different calculations going on,
right.
and you're trying to figure out what the heck is this lien worth, to add on top of it. Counties don't always issue the check in the right amount, right? So you need to know, what should I be getting? Does that match the check I'm getting from the county, right? And so as you grow, Excel starts to lose its capability. Kind of what we found, I mentioned multiple states, multiple counties. If you have 500 more liens, right, or you just want to manage that workflow, meaning you've got multiple people working on the same thing, you're passing a spreadsheet back and forth starts to be a nightmare, right? So our management platform is meant to be that next step, right? Maybe not the beginner step, but that next step when you want to take your investments to the next level.
Yeah, well, it sounds, and in terms of getting it integrated into my company or understanding it, you guys train, it's, kind of hold hands for a little while.
Yeah, exactly. It's a complex tool. It's not necessarily, again, it's not for beginners. We'll definitely hold your hand as you get onboarded and make sure you're prepared to excel.
Well, it's a complex industry too.
Yes.
Oh, I saw what you just did there. Oh,
gotcha.
Hey, that's my job. Hey, listen, if you need, that sounds pretty good to you, or you need any sort of help, doing better with your investments, TaxSale Resources has got the resources. That's why it's right there in the name, correct?
Well done.
TaxSaleResources.com. Check it out.